Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert MBR hard disks to GPT. Now you must have encountered an issue somewhere on your PC, that's why you want to make this change. Now in my case, I have two disks running on my PC, one HDD and one SSD. I am currently running Windows 11 on my HDD but would want to install it on my SSD instead for more speed. Now I am unable to do this because my SSD is an MBR disk. So you can see over here, Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. Now I will be unable to do this until I convert it to a GPT disk. Now I'm going to walk you through how to convert your MBR disk to a GPT disk. Now it may not be you trying to install Windows on your system. It may be for some other reasons, but this will definitely work. Now let's head back. Now take note, you can convert MBR to GPT only when the disk is empty. So make sure you back up your files. Now open command prompt as administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Now type in the first command, disk path. Okay, so we are now in the disk path. Now type in the second command, list disk. So you can see our disks on our system. Now this is disk 0, which we are currently using. This is my HDD. It has 232 gig storage. And it is a GPT disk, as you can see over here. And this is disk 1, which we want to convert from MBR to GPT. So enter the next command, select disk 1. Disk 1 in the sense that this is the disk we want to convert and it has the number 1, so select disk 1 and then hit enter. So disk 1 is now selected. Now type the next command, clean, and this will wipe disk 1. So this disk is now empty, so what we have to do is convert disk 1 from MBR to GPT. And to do that, type in the last command, convert GPT, and then hit enter. So you can see disk path successfully converted the disk to GPT format. Now our disk is now a GPT disk. Now let's head back to our file manager and check out. So you can see our disk is now missing. This is our disk 0, which is our HDD, and our SSD, which was here, is now missing. So what we have to do now is head to our search bar and then search for disk management. Okay, so click on this from the control panel and this will open up. So you can see over here 223 gig of unallocated disks. So we have to allocate these disks, and to do that, right click and then click on new simple volume. Next. Now assign this letter to the disk. So let's call it S. Next. Finish. Okay, so it will reformat the disk. Now you can see the disk has been allocated. So if we head back to our system, this PC, you will see new volume S, and I can rename this if I want to. So let me just call it SSD. Okay, so if I try now to install the Windows 11 on my SSD, this would work perfectly without any error. So let me try that. Okay, so let me try with the installation. Okay, so this is the section where it was telling us to convert the disk. So if I click on my drive 1, which is the SSD, it is no longer showing me that the disk is an MBR disk because it has been converted to a GPT disk. I can also confirm this with my command prompt. So let me open the command prompt again and then confirm this. Okay, so you can see now disk 0 is a GPT disk and disk 1 is also a GPT disk. Now you can proceed with whatever you were doing before you encounter that error. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.